Hi, first grade. It's good to see you again. I hope you're having a good week. And it's day 2 of Letterland. And so for today's video, I wanted us to do quick dash and then practice sorting and spelling some of these words that we talked about yesterday together. So let's start with quick dash and just kind of get our brains warmed up and ready to spell and work on some of these new sounds. Oo or you. Same with this one, oo or you. Remember LL, Lucy and Linda? They're on the end of short vowel words like well and bell. Okay, so now would be a good time to press pause if you need to go grab some paper or a whiteboard, because I'm going to grab my whiteboard too and get ready to sort and spell some words. So yesterday we talked about IE and IGH, and remember both of them say I. We just have to remember and practice to figure out when to use each one. Mr. I and Mr. E, when they're walking together, we only hear I because Mr. E is silent. He's too busy out looking for robots. In IGH, remember, Golden Girl gets the giggles, but Harry Hatman doesn't like noise, and she knows that. So she's a good friend when she's standing next to Harry Hatman like that. And Mr. I is in front of them, and he says his name, I. And he thinks Golden Girl is being such a good girl, he gives her an ice cream for being quiet and respectful to Harry Hatman. Okay, so I'm going to get my whiteboard set up, and I want you to do the same thing. I'm going to put I, E on one side. Sorry about writing upside down. It might not be very neat. I, E, and on the other side, we're going to write IGH. And I'm going to say a word, and I'm going to give you a few minutes, and you decide where you think that word should go. So I'm going to stand in front of the poster. Okay, first word, I want you to spell tight. My shoes were too little and getting tight. Tight. T-I-T. Remember to finger tap if that helps you. And I chose to put tight under IGH. Tie. I needed to tie my shoes. Tie. T-I-E. Pie. Mom made an apple pie. P-I. And again, I put it under I-E. What would you need to add if Mom made 2 pies? One for your family and one for the neighbor. What would we need to add on the end? Yes, don't forget the suffix S whenever there's more than one. Spell light. There was a light on at night. Light. I chose to put it under IGH. Might. I tried with all of my might. Might. I just changed the L to an M and put it on that side. Might. let's try a little bit of a tricky one. See if you can spell the word tries. This one you're going to want to finger tap. T-R-I-S, tries. Okay, and I put it under here. Okay, let's do one more word for today. I want you to spell the word bright. This one was not on our poster today, but I want to see if you can spell it. Bright. The sun was shining very bright in the sky. Bright. And I chose to write it under IGH. Okay, first grade, keep working hard, and I will see you again soon. Bye.